I would like to start by thanking my preparer for the great organization of the National Day event. Honestly, it's been one of the most nice experiences I saw till now in the festivities of the National Day.
The event is amazing. Diversity of activities, the different kinds of activities.
It reflects really the importance of celebrating those occasions, even at the level of a nursery.
The vibes is like very nice. Like the kids, they are really enjoying here.
Such a lot of activities for the kids and the parents. Such amazing organization. Even the food is amazing. Really, it's one of the most amazing days.
Love the organization of the event. Looking for always like attending such events.
Great educational haven.
So overall, the nursery is one of the best in UAE.